909 2 Sierra Tango, Holman Tower, fly runway heading, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
32 clear for takeoff, runway heading, 20 Tango.
I don't see anybody coming.
It's going to be about a 2 mile.
Heard cleared to go 3-2.
Runway 32.
613 on tower.
No rush.
Runway 22,
Be
clear land.
prompt. Don't rush.
Runway 22, clear to land.
Goes
Is there
down.
any chance to be able to get the options?
Power up.
Sycamore 3, affirmative. Runway 32, clear for the option. After the option, enter correction, make it right traffic.
Runway 32, clear for the option. After the option, make right close traffic. Thanks for that.
Speed's live.
Gauges in the green.
Gauges
Hold my
green.
kilo, turn right,
Concealers
clear,
clear.
cross,
Take your
left,
time.
shot one. Right
60 cross check.
Hold my kilo, thank you.
Holman Tower, after 639 Sierra Tango, expecting runway 23.
Just to the bars, no higher.
Bravo Papa, just to verify you are cleared to cross runway 32 at Bravo.
Trim for those bars. Oh, the pilot one.
Okay, other aircraft going on Homer ground, say again.
T-bars in the blue, airplane's doing as commanded.
USA.
Flow.
Is that November 131 Whiskey? Or 131 Whiskey, roger, verify information, Papa, runway 32, taxi via Bravo, cross runway 23.
Filch. Very nice.
Holman Tower, after 639 Sierra Tango, expecting runway 32 for full
We're
stop.
flying a runway heading,
Sierra
yes.
Tango, contact departure.
Switch it.
Over departure, 20 Tango. Departure, Meridian 992 Sierra Tango, 1,800, climbing 3,000, runway heading.
Meridian 992 Sierra Tango, Holman departure, radar contact, climb maintain 1010,000.
Climb maintain 1010,000, 20 Tango.
Cirrus 48 Victor Uniform, Holman approach, Toyota 23022.
That was mercifully uneventful. Nice job. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.